Want to change or fake your location on Find My iPhone? In this video, we'll walk you through both free methods and a more reliable solution if those don't work. Method 1. Share location from another device. Use another Apple device signed in with your Apple ID. Go to Find My and share location from that device. Your location will show as that device instead. Method 2. Use MagFone Location Changer. If you want a more stable and flexible way to fake your location, MagFone Location Changer makes it much easier. Connect your iPhone to your computer, launch MagFone Location Changer, click General Mode. Select any location on the map. Click Start Modify. Your Find My location updates instantly, no jailbreak needed.